Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create a website on Wix for local artisan marketplaces, business easy and quick. So first type Wix on the search. Now let's enter the website. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily on a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So first of all, let's create a new site. Now build with Wix editor. Now enter your business type or your website type, search for it. Local artisan, marketplaces. So for example, I'm gonna choose this. You can choose whatever you want. So let's continue. Now enter your store name. Type any store name you want. Do you already have an online store? Choose if you already have one or not. Now let's continue. What would you like to sell? Physical products, dropshipping products and services, and digital products. What would you like to sell? Online store and my mobile app, and marketplaces and social media. Now continue to dashboard. Now design your site. Click here. How would you like to design your website? If you want to let Wix create a site for you, or if you want to customize the design template. So for me, I'm gonna choose this. It's more easier. So let's get started. Now here enter your information. If you want to add logo, if you want to change your business name, if you want to change your email or add a new email, and here if you want to add your address, your and if you want to add your phone, and here if you want to add the social link. So let's continue. Pick a theme you like, for example this. Pick your favorite homepage design. So for example, let's choose this and let's move on. Add page to your site. If you want to add some page, so for example this. So now your site is up and running. So go to editor if you want to edit more your website. So this is your homepage website. If you want to add elements, click here. Now this is the list of the elements you have on your homepage website. So the first element here, you have the text element. If you want to select here, you can select any text you want to add on your homepage, the form or the size of the text. Also here the titles, the shape of the titles or the form. So that's it. Here the paragraphs, and that's it. Now let's move on to the image element. Here if you want to upload image, if you want to import image, if you're looking for some free Wix image or free Wix illustrations. Now let's move on to the button. Here you find the themed buttons, the text and icon buttons, the icon buttons, the image buttons, and the document buttons, and the iTunes button. And here you find the payment buttons. You have to add some payment buttons on your home page. So let's move on to the trip. Here you find the classic, featured, about, services, contact and welcome, and testimonials and team. So that's it. That's how to manage your strip elements. So here you can edit any element you want. Select any one of these and you can add it on your home page. So let's move on to the decorative elements. So here you find the shapes, the themed lines and the basic shapes, arrows, horizontal lines and vertical lines. And here you find vector art, featured, icons, animals and nature, and logos and badges and characters. And here you find the video box and video mask and transparent video. So this is the video elements. And let's move on to the boxes element. Here you find the themed boxes, the container boxes, and the hover boxes and tabs. Now let's move on to the galleries. Here if you're looking for some recommended galleries, if you want to add pro galleries or guide galleries or slider galleries, or if you want to show more galleries. So that's it. Now let's move on to the menu in the Anchor. Here you find the themed menus, and if you want to add horizontal menus or vertical menus, here you find the in-page navigation. If you want to add Anchor and the in-page menu, and the last here the search, the site search. So that's it. Now let's move on to the contact and forms. Here you find all the forms you have to add on your home page: the contact form, the order forms, the registration forms, the donation forms, the application forms, the feedback forms, and the request forms, and the waiver forms, and subscribe forms. So you have to add any one of these on your home page. Now let's move on to the Google Maps. Here you find the maps, the normal maps, and the full width maps. And the last here is the 2 weeks chat and the line share button. So let's move on to the video and the music elements. Here you find the single video players. If you want to add some single video players, if you want to add Wix video or video box or video mask or transparent video. Now let's move on to the audio players. Here you find the music elements. If you want to add audio players or Wix music or SoundCloud player or Spotify player or iTunes button. So let's move on to the interactive. Here you find the slideshows, the photo width slideshows or the box slideshows, and here you find the light boxes, and here you find the hover boxes and the tabs, and here you find the repeaters, the over repeaters. So that's it. Now let's move on to the list elements. Here if you want to add some normal repeaters or hover repeaters or blank repeaters. Now let's move on to the embed code. If you want to custom popular embeds, if you want to add some single video players, if you want to edit or manage your audio section, if you want to add some SoundCloud player or Spotify player or iTunes button. If you want to add if you want to edit your advanced elements here, the marketing tools or the Velo Dev mode, you can add some of this marketing tools section or Velo Dev mode section, or the last here the animation section, you can edit it. Now let's move on to the social bar. If you want to add some social bars, select any one of these and you can add it on your home page. You can add Facebook link or URL link or Pinterest or VK or line link or YouTube, your YouTube channel link. So let's move on to the payment section. Here you find the payment buttons, the payment forms, and the pricing plans and the store. So let's move on to CMS. Here if you want to easily manage your site contents, and here if you want to show your expertise, the blog section, if you want to show your expertise and engage with your audience, and here if you want to add something from the store, if you want to add something from the booking elements or the related elements or the pricing plans, if you want to create and manage events. Here the last is the community and your designs. So that's it. Now let's move on to the section. If you want to add section, select any section of this and you can add it on your home page. Now let's move on to the page and the menus. So here you can add page. So this is the site menu. Now let's move on to the site design. If you want to design your site or customize your site design, you can edit the color theme or the text theme or the page background or the page transitions. Here if you want to manage apps, if you want to add apps, or if you want to manage your business, and here if you want to upload media, you can edit images and videos. You can, if you're looking for some free Wix images or free Wix videos, here you can use the same as and easily manage your site content. And the last is if you want to manage Google ads or Facebook ads or SEO or social media marketing or marketing integrations. So that's it for today. Now after you're done from designing your website, all you have to do now is click here publish, and you're gonna publish your website easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.